Welcome! In front of me I have Realme 8 and today I'll show you a couple tricks that you can make when using your camera. So when we are entering for the camera, at first we are going to focus on the settings and what we can interesting find here. So at first you can mark your photos. When you go for the watermark and then enable this switcher and tap on it, you can customize your mark. So I'll put here shot by Dave. Okay. Another time, then click on the switcher and just take a look. When you go back and take a photo, just take a look what we got here. There we get the mark. The photo was taken by Dave on the Realme. So shot by Dave. Okay. So the shot by will be here already, so we don't have to type it. When we go back, we can also find the volume button function. So we can use the volume button, this one, as a shutter, volume or zoom. I prefer to use it always as zoom, and just take a look how cool it is. We can focus maybe on this water. You are pressing the volume up and your phone smoothly zoom in and then zoom out when you tap the volume down button. Very cool and useful feature. You can also switch between the lenses by using this feature. When you go another time for the settings, you can find the advanced settings. So we can flip our selfie. Just take a look. When I take a photo of myself, the photo will be flipped, as you can see. So we don't have to use any external apps. And right now, let's focus on modes that we have here on the smartphone. So of course, from the one of the most important is the 64 megapixels. Just take a look how different it looks. I will take the photo of this bottle of the water. I will put it here. And maybe all these small captions will be really good to catch in this mode. Then take a photo and just do the same in the 64 megapixel. And you will spot the difference. So take a look. When we grab the 64 megapixel mode, we can really close zoom in to the object, as you can see. But when you use normal mode, we cannot make the same zoom. So definitely we want to make the photo with big, details. With a lot of details, just use the 64 megapixel mode. When we go for the more, we can also find a couple of the cool options. The first one is dual view mode. So when you want to when you want to record something that is in front of you, you can also record it from the rear and the front camera. So just take a look. And you are still able to change lenses on the rear camera, and the record looks like that. So as you can see, very cool feature. And when we turn it off and go for the more, we can also find the text scanner. There is a useful thing. Just take a look here. When you want to scan some text, some phrases like that, just take a look. I take photo, and what happened? As you can see, it automatically cut out other part of the photo, and the text is right here. And of course, when you go for the more, we can find also the standard modes like slow motion, time lapse. Yeah, we can make time lapse for the front and from the rear camera, and also we get the panorama mode. So if you want to catch more objects in the photo, just take a look. You have to simply tap on this shutter like that, and then move to the left smoothly. Tap on the shutter another time. And just take a look, the photo is much wider. Just take a look, the difference when you take on the normal photo. Just take a look, we can only catch the part of the place that we are, and in the panorama we can catch whole place. And basically that's it. Other modes are standard like night, video, photo, portrait, and the macro that you can find almost on every smartphone, the same for the pro camera. That's it. I hope that I helped you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.